Online dating is the new trend. As you all know, millions of people are going online to find their life partner, and that is why millions of dating applications and websites have become extremely popular. If you are going to build a Tinder clone app, you have to be familiar with some ground rules. Hello everyone, my name is Kirtish from Apptunix and I'm back with my next video on how to make a dating app like Tinder. Before going further, let me tell you that the dating market is growing rapidly, as well as the customer demands too. Therefore, if you want to develop a dating app, this is the right time, as 27% of committed relationships start via the internet. Approximately 40 million people using dating apps and websites around the globe. The annual revenue of all dating apps is estimated to around $2 billion. Being the most popular dating app, Tinder counts around 50 million users across the globe, while 60% users are from the USA. And the Tinder's total revenue estimated to around $1.6 billion. The market is huge and so are the opportunities it offers. Before initiating to the development part of dating application, you have to do some market research and competitive research. Research makes your work so easy. It is like 50% of your work done. The remaining work is wireframing, app development, testing, and deployment. The reason to mention the above line is that without ensuring the quality of an app, you cannot utilize the benefits. And also, the users will not enjoy it if the app doesn't have the quality. So here are the following benefits of dating apps. Give your users the best experience of dating. Is it hard to find the right partner? The dating application will help the users to find the person they are searching for. Both the parties can communicate and understand each other well before deciding to meet. You can give the best platform to the introverts. Introverts, as we all know, are not good at expressing. It is tough for them to speak what they have in their mind. So the dating apps will boost them so that they can express their feelings and find their soulmate. Our next benefit is safety and privacy of female users. Dating apps always work fine for the female users because they keep them safe and away from the unwanted messages of the strangers. Only those can message them who have sent them the connection request. Coming to next, give your users a variety. The basic customer is attracted by variations. Make sure your dating app offers various functionalities, keeping the essence of your USP. Imagine if your app offers everything that your users want from an excellent dating app. He would have no choice but to use your app. Last but not the least, generating high revenue from your app. As we all know, online dating marketplace is growing tremendously. So as a business owner, you can also generate high revenues from your app if you use the right monetization strategies like subscriptions, additional likes, and etc. Building a dating app from scratch consists of multiple stages, each of which should get equal attention. Now let's talk about the steps that you should take to create a unique and viable dating app. Our first step is analyze the target audience. To launch the great dating app, it is important to understand what the target audience wants. Yes, you may develop a general application which meets the requirements of different population groups, but the design, set of features, and even the app's title should be tailored based on the target audience. Once you have conducted the market research and know its target audience, it is important to describe the business process of the app and know its overall structure. We are talking about to create a specification, which is our second step. Specification is a document where you provide the detailed description of the way you want your app to work. Based on the specifications, developers build the app and the designers create the way it looks. Coming to our third step, that is the development stage. It is the most time-consuming part of the process, which includes creating each feature of the dating app. Developers should work on software, security, as well as geolocations, push notifications, and settings, and all of the features. They should explore the latest trends of the dating app development to create a killer product. Our fourth step is to create a marketing plan. While developers and designers are developing the product, marketers should find out the ways of increasing their customers and their loyalties. Marketing plan involves coming up with a strategy to engage more customers and make them stay. In addition, you should choose the right monetization method. If you want to get an excellent results, turning to Apptunix marketers is a great idea. With many years of experience, we know how to increase the conversion rates and get users' trust. Last but not the least is the process of testing the app. This is conducted by the QA team, which aims to detect the mistakes and imperfections of the product. Many technologies and frameworks are working behind the apps like Tinder. The technology stack of Tinder includes JavaScript, Python, and HTML5 as programming languages, and the mobile app platforms to build and test apps called AWS. Well, this was all about the development of the dating app. Now, if you are planning to develop a dating app, you can partner with Apptunix to get a best services at an affordable prices. You can reach us at sales@apptunix.com, or you can DM us at our social media handles given in the description. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channel.